Hello YouTube team, my name is Masum and my channel name is Natai Khuri. This is my channel URL. I joined YouTube on 9 September 2021. My channel was uploaded different types of blog and product reviews video, and my channel has totally uploaded 549 videos. All of my content was created by me. Recently, my channel was demonetized due to reuse content, but I cannot accept this decision. I think this is totally mistake to YouTube automatic system or the YouTube review team, so that you can better understand about my content. Basically, all of my video on my channel are about different types of blog and product reviews videos. The video are made by me in different place. I complete my video editing process. My video does not have any copyright claim. You can check my every single video. All video are 100%